Hi, it's me, Mohammed. Today I will do catching practice. It's a little bit strength of Rauf and a bit catching. Needs to do 10, all 10 rounds. And I will do, I'll put it on my YouTube channel. Sorry, I didn't need to say. First catch. Look out at this pattern. Oh, sorry. This is my first catch I have this one. Didn't see my back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, including delay for your 8 lines. Last out? Okay. When I've done these outs, I need to make silly outs. Okay. There how you do. Thank you. Bye.